Hello dear children. Next week we are going to celebrate Teachers Day. Teachers are gurus. Teachers are mentors. So we are going to make lovely greeting cards on the occasion of Teachers Day. Let's enjoy the activity. For this greeting card making activity, children, we need white paper, multicolor tinted sheet or any other paper, then sketch pens, pencil, eraser, fevicol, scissors and decorative articles. Children, you can use any type of decorative material which is available at your place. Let's start the activity. For this greeting card, children, we have taken 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter one square, 13 centimeter by 13 centimeter one square, any color waste paper. Then for the roll we can take any type of green color paper. Okay, it may be in triangular form, rectangular or square. Okay, so first we are going to fold this page. First you have to fold in a plus. Plus means like this plus. Okay, then you have to fold it in a cross, means in multiplication sign, like this and like this. Then open it. Okay, then children see this portion. This portion we are going to hold like this. Okay, and this portion I will push inside and I want to give a origami fold to this paper. Okay, see once again, I will press it inside and this edges will come out. So I will make a origami fold of it. Once again I will show you children. See, first I have fold in plus sign and then in a multiplication sign. Then this portion I am going to keep on this end and it will become like this. Then another side I will press it properly and I will get a origami fold with the help of it. Many of you know the origami fold. Okay, then we are going to fold in the middle. What we are going to do? We are going to fold in the middle. Okay, then keep your finger like this. Then keep your finger like this, any one finger. Parallelly we are going to draw one semicircle like this. Finger like this we are going to draw and we are going to give a cut over here. See, when I will open it, I will get a heart shape. Okay, same I will do for it. Now see children, I have made another heart shape here. Okay, when we are opening heart shape, please be careful. Okay, and then on this heart we are going to paste this heart. Okay, like this we are going to paste this heart. Okay, now any paper you can take of green color and you can make a roll of it. Means we are going to make a stem of this green color paper. If you are having square paper you can use. If you are having rectangular sheet, if you are having triangular sheet, you can use any color paper and make a roll of it. After making this roll, children, I have pressed from upside. Now we are going to fold it. How we folded prior, like this and like this. Okay, so children, it is our flower. We are going to paste this down and we are going to stick one more heart here and two leaves. After that children, see, I have stick leaves to it. Then I have stick some decorative articles here. If you want you can write something here, you can stick some another thing here. Now see children, I want to open it. Okay, I have written Happy Teachers Day inside. I have little bit, I decorate this portion. Okay, and see, now our card is ready to give to the teachers. See what a lovely gift for our teachers.